Welcome back. Did the nexus between traders and government departments lead to illegalities in mining industry? This question has been raised after a complaint was filed by Mines and Geology Department against the traders and its own officials. The complaint has exposed the nexus between government departments and officials.
As per the procedure, traders have to buy ore from a lease owner. Later, they have to pay royalty to Mines Department. Department then issues challan to traders. On that challan, mine owner has to mention the grade and quantity of ore, also the lease number. Thereafter, the traders have to submit the challan to Captain of Port, where Port has to verify the same challan. Finally, Mormugao Port Trust and custom officials cross-check the challan and allow the ship to transport iron ore. Secondly, sources inform that before trading, the respective traders have to register with Goa Mineral Ores Exporter, Goa Minerals Ore Export Association. After registration with the association, traders get a NOC for shipping iron ore out of Goa. A letter from mine owner has to clarify the transaction of export, the grade and the quantity of iron ore. Importantly, lease number has to be mentioned on the letter addressed to the GMOEA. Amount of 0.60 paisa is to be charged per ton. Ironically, GMOEA was not registered under the Societies Registration Act. However, the Captain of Ports made it mandatory for the traders to be registered under the non-registered GMOEA. Till year 2012, GMOEA was not registered under Societies Act. Now the question is, nexus between Mines Department and other government departments, who was issuing NOC to traders till 2012, why GMOEA registration was made compulsory, how Mines Department issued challans to traders without verifying documents, why Captain of Ports didn't verify challans issued by Mines Department, why challan of traders were not cross-checked by MPT Customs. On Tuesday, Director of Mine and Geology Department filed a complaint against Frost International Limited for allegedly exporting iron ore from November 12, 2010 to September 2012 on the basis of forged documents. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Violence in Parliament over Telangana reached its extreme on Thursday. The moment Union Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde tabled the bill in the Lok Sabha, angry MPs from Simandara region rushed to the well of the House shouting slogans. The Speaker suspended 17 MPs from Simandara. Industrialist and suspended Congress MP L. Rajagopal did the unthinkable. He sprayed pepper sprays in the House. The lower house has been adjourned till Monday.
It is not only Andhra Pradesh MPs from various states from Congress party. The Speaker should suspend all the Congress MPs who came into the well.
I have not brought any knife. I have, while forcibly they are introducing the AP reorganization bill, I want to prevent the bill. I pulled the mic. The mic is fabricating like a knife.
जो कुछ संसद में घटा वो केवल दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण ही नहीं है बल्कि शर्मनाक भी है और इसके लिए एकमात्र दोषी कांग्रेस पार्टी और कांग्रेस की सरकार है.
This has shamed us. Our parliamentary democracy is admired throughout the world. Today, what has happened is a blot.
The bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha and now it is the property of the Parliament.
Sir, as a Home Minister, don't you think this is a criminal act?
We'll take.
Think it's a criminal act?
We will take action.
It is the BJP who is instigating this from the back, saying we support Telangana. But on the other hand, they are instigating the other members to cause disturbance in the House. The BJP should make a stand clear whether they are supporting Telangana or opposing Telangana.
To every other state, anybody with 272 members in Lok Sabha at the helm of affairs, ruling this country, would split any state at their whims and fancies for political gains. If this is not stopped, I request the entire opposition to stand up and oppose this movement. Otherwise, democracy would perish. We would definitely be approaching the Supreme Court.
Tourism Department has asked Pratibha Bima Shipping Agency to tow off the vessel from Panji Port. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar informed that officials of the vessel have been asked to tow the vessel within 15 days, failing which strict action will be initiated against the agency.
प्रतिभा भीमा टेंडर जी बोट आसा गेल्या कितके दीस ती थंय आपल्या मदी दर्यामध्ये आसा आनी व्हांवून येवन परत दुसरे रिवर प्रिन्सेस जावचे न्हू म्हणून डिपार्टमेंटान आनी कॅप्टन म्हणजे म्हाज्या डिपार्टमेंटान आनी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टान पयरूच ऑर्डर काडलेली आसा की ते कंपनीन जाता तितके बेगीन ती थंयची हालोवची नाजाल्यार 15 दीस जाल्या नंतर सरकार तेजेर योग्य विचार करतले आनी ती बोट जी आसा हे बोटीचो विल्हेवाट लावप किंवा स्क्रॅबान काडप वॉट एवर इट इज हे सरकार थारपाक तेका रायट आसतले.
The vessel has been in news since January last year after it developed engine failure and was towed off to the state ports. Right now, the vessel is at the Panji port. The vessel is owned by Pratibha Shipping Limited of Mumbai. Earlier, Indian Coast Guard officials said the vessel should be towed off as almost 300 tons of oil could be spilled into the sea during monsoon. The vessel now stands abandoned approximately 8 nautical miles off Miramar into the sea and poses huge problem if it is not removed before the monsoons. Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.